Okay, Lawrence, tell me why you're here. What is going on with your hair?
All right, so for the better part of my life, from about 20 till about now, I have always experienced that my hair is getting thinner. Now, I always knew that this would probably be happening because my uncles both have male pattern baldness, and I can't remember a time when they didn't shave their head or had any hair at all. So as you know, as I'm in my 20s and my hair was getting thinner and thinner, I realized that the best way for me to hide it would be to keep my hair this short.
Okay, and so you say from 20 to now, so how old are you now?
Am I supposed to say it?
Yeah, I want to know how old are you now, so
All
we
right,
can kind of look
34.
at. Okay, 34. So for about 14 years,
Yeah.
you've been going through this.
Yes.
And when you first noticed it, how did you handle it? How do you handle trying to treat it? What did you do at first?
Well, it was a little shocking, right? You know, I'm a young man and my hair is already getting thin, so I knew that's not supposed to happen. So I just figured, just keep it short. So I have this regimented routine where I go to the barber every 7 days, 7 to 10 days. I don't let it go more than 10 days. I have him keep it this short.
Has this ever affected your confidence?
I was a 20-year-old man, and all of a sudden I noticed that, hey, something is not happening the way it's supposed to be. It's part of my development. So I saw that first time in the mirror. I just couldn't believe it. I took a step back because I realized that my body was not doing what I thought it was doing, what I was told my whole life it was supposed to be doing.
Exactly.
So, I mean, you can just imagine the feeling of just like, oh, I don't feel adequate. Like this simple thing that's on the top of my head.
The hair.
The hair. I'm not adequate in that way. Before this new thing that I used to do, I used to just go take a shower and be done.
When you say take a shower, be done, like just use water,
Yeah, I mean, I just, whatever soap I had.
For how long? Forever?
2 seconds, maybe.
Wow.
I just, make sure I do it.
Wow.
Clean it, feel like get the soap in there, and then I would rinse it off. And
So like soap, like bar soap?
Whatever soap I was using.
Oh, wow. Okay. One of the things that we understand about hair is that hair loss is not a hair issue, it's a scalp issue. But thinning hair is not a scalp issue, it's a malnutrition strand issue. Okay. And we also understand that growing your hair back is not magic, it's science. So from a scientific approach, one of the things that we would want to do is to make sure that your strand gets nutrition. One of the things that we would first want to do is to make sure that you get on a regimen of what we call nutritional supplements, specifically designed for the hair. The leading cause of hair loss is a presence of androgens in the body, which simply means that the testosterone that's in our bodies, that is found in men and women, we don't want the testosterone in our bodies to turn into a derivative of testosterone called dihydrotestosterone. The acronym for that is simply DHT. What we want to do is block DHT. And at NouriTress, what we do is in our vitamin, we provide all natural ingredients for your body, like vitamin B, vitamin C, some herbs like grapeseed and green tea. But we also want to provide DHT blockers such as saw palmetto and inositol that will help stop the hair thinning and the hair loss. So in your case, you have hair that's there. Yeah. We really need to just provide nutrition to that strand by making sure that you take, we have a particular vitamin in particular called NouriTress Hair Vitamins Plus that has biotin, also has DHT blockers to provide nutrition to that strand so that on your next hair growth cycle that we can produce a thicker strand. If we stay on a regimen of that for 90 days is where we generally see the results of that, your hair will start growing back. I guarantee you, if you follow that plan, you'll see some different results. Do you have a story to tell? Do you want us to help you on your hair restoration journey? It's easy as this. Head on over to NouriTress.com and tell us how we can help you.